Click Add List to start organizing your contacts into custom groups for easy management. Enter a name for your contact list so you can easily find it later. Save your new contact list to begin adding and importing contacts. Tap Import Contacts to quickly bring in your existing lists with just a few clicks. Map the first name field to make sure your contact data is organized correctly. Connect the last name column for precise and reliable contact details. Verify all contact fields are matched up correctly. Once verified, click Submit to upload your contacts and streamline your outreach. Check the box to confirm that everyone on your list has given their consent. Press Import Data to securely bring your contacts into the platform. You're all set. Click OK to finish and start connecting with your new contacts.